Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT. In this short video we're going to take a look at a particular challenge one of our recent customers presented to us in terms of their pricing and how we resolved it or solved it with a QuoteWerks script. So the particular challenge was this customer imports a lot of products from various different countries, mostly UK, Europe and America. They import their prices where they're not in GBP using the base pricing on foreign currency option within QuoteWerks, and that was causing some rounding issues due to the way that QuoteWerks converts the currency exchange rate from the exchange rate and then back to when you're doing a foreign currency quote. The example we're using here is a product which in the supplier's list price is $150,000. That gets converted to a list price of £115,384.50. Now we can see the issue when we look over to the quote. This third line item that I've got on my quote is my USD product, and if we just take a closer look at this quote, you can see that I am also quoting in USD. So when I've picked that product onto my quote, it's taken that unit list we saw a moment ago, £115,384.50, multiplied by 1.3 to give us 149,999.85. As you can see, it's a few cents out. It should have been 150,000, but actually we're 15 cents out on that price, which obviously the customer doesn't want to do. They want their customer to see the $150,000 price rather than this sort of rounded version of the price. We can minimize this. We did look at having multiple decimal points on our exchange rate. The more decimal points you have, it reduces the issue, but we were still getting cents out or pennies out or euros out in the various different scenarios. It just wasn't ideal. So what we're doing is, or just to explain the other prices, with other prices, i.e. where I'm not sourcing this product from a supplier that supplies in USD, when I'm quoting in USD, they wanted to take the unit list and uplift it by 10%, so multiplied by 1.1. So looking at this document, we've got a product that I'm sourcing from a GBP supplier, one from a Euro, one from a USD supplier. All of their list prices, for the sake of argument, are $150,000, euros, pounds, whatever. And when I drop those products onto my quotation, that's reflected in these unit list prices. So in GBP that stayed as 150,000 because of the 1 to 1.2 exchange rate on my euros, 125,000, and this one where we're seeing the error where it's 1 to 1.3, that 115,000 value. As we saw before, I'm quoting in USD. So what I'm expecting, or what I'd like to do, is have my alternate prices, which is what I'm going to be showing to my customer, of 150,000, and then whatever these values are with that 10% uplift. Now the script that we wrote is invoked when we click save. So there we go. That's just prompting me, you're about to update your document item prices. Do I want to continue? Yes, I do. And that's updated those prices as we expect. So I'm now seeing what's going to appear on my layout or my quote valet template. that $150,000 price and not this kind of messed up price that's 15 cents out. Just to check those other values, if we look at the GBP product, 195,000 multiplied by 1.1, that's the 214,500 price, and as you'll probably expect, otherwise I wouldn't be doing a video of this to demo it, that 162,500 price multiplied by 1.1 gives us the $178,750 price. Well, that's just one example of how QuoteWerks scripting can be used to improve things. These are such powerful little applets that we can run. If you'd like to know more, then you can go to our website, click on the contact us page. You'll find our telephone number, email address. By all means, get in touch. Myself or one of the team will more than happy to help you with anything queries you've got.